Hello, I'm Rob Coolidge, and today I'm going to look at a small geometry problem called the barn door problem. I'm going to be showing how I would do it in PowerCAD using two particular snaps, tangent and perpendicular. On the right here is what the finished result is we're looking for. A 3068 door with a diagonal brace that's 3.5 inches wide, one side of which goes to this corner, the other side of which goes to that corner. On the left is what I'm going to work on. What we want to do is in some way take this board, the equivalent of this, such that if we were to rotate it into place like so, but that's not how I'm going to do it. What I'm going to do is this. First, I take the circle tool, I come down to this corner and draw out a circle, hit Tab to enter the edit box, enter 3.5 inches for the radius, and finish the job. So there's a circle. This represents all the points that are a distance of 3.5 inches from that point. I then take the line tool, hold down the T key for tangent snap, and here we are, we're drawing lines that are tangent to that circle. All these lines pass 3.5 inches away from that point. And we snap it to this corner up here. There's that edge of the board. And the offset tool, offset that 3.5 inches and snaps to that point there. We can clean it up with the intersection tool, clean up this line, clean up that line, and there's the board. Finally, to dimension it, we use the perpendicular snap, hold down P for perpendicular to one edge, and here we are, perpendicular dimension string, and then the S key to force surface snap to the other side, and there's our dimension string for that board.